Hey guys, today I'm going to be installing a floating shelf. This particular one here is from Kmart. It was about 13 bucks. It has a load capacity of about 3 kilos and it's 60 centimeters wide, 18 centimeters depth and 4 centimeters high. So there's the bracket there. So we're just going to undo these screws. So just mark out on the wall where you want it. It's 60 centimeters wide, this particular one. There are larger ones you can get. So I've just found the center of my wall here, and then I'm going to put the bracket on there. I've already put a rule on there and made it straight. So we'll just line that up and just mark out where the holes are. Now just checking where my wall studs are. I've got a wall stud here, so for this one here I'm not going to use a wall plug and the screw because I've got the wall stud there, so I'm actually just going to screw straight into that and into the stud behind the gyprock. So that's actually going to give it a bit of extra strength, so that's perfect. On the first one here we'll just drill this in. We'll just test that one. Yeah, that's going to be perfect. Alright, let's drill all these other ones. There's the stud, so we're going to leave that one. Put our wall plugs in now. Oops, forgot to drill a hole there. Let's do that now. Now just grab your hammer and just tap them in. So just with our bracket here, it's very important that these holes in these bars here are at the bottom, because when the shelf goes in, the screws go up through the bottom and go through there. So make sure they're facing down. Now this is where our stud is, so we're just going to drill straight in. So then we just grab the shelf and you can see the holes there, and then the holes on the underside where the screws go. So this just slots into those bars sticking out. So the shelf's up, put 2 screws, one there, and then there's 2 stickers that come with it. You just put those on. So there's the screw holes there where I've screwed it in and then put the white sticker on it that comes in the pack. There's the other one there, and that's what the shelf looks like. There you go. Too easy. Ready to roll.